class. Today, our topic in mathematics is trigonometry. So, follow me as I take you through the examples. And I'm using New General Mathematics as my textbook. So, in case if you have New General Mathematics, come with me and let me show you the examples. And also, you can tag your friends, they can use it for their assignments in school. So, you can send these videos to your friends, you can share it with your friends on Facebook. So in case they might need it to use it for their various assignments we're giving to them in school. So example 1. So we have, as you can see, this small letter A is facing this capital letter A. So because this capital letter A means this angle A, while the small letter A means the side facing angle A. Also, if you look at capital letter B, it means angle B, which is this 90 degree. And this small b is the side that is facing this angle B. Now, this is capital letter C. So, this is angle C, while this line is the side facing this angle C. So now, if you look at this small a facing this capital letter A is called the opposite side of this triangle. It's referred to as the opposite. It's referred to as the opposite because it is the side facing this angle theta, which is 35 degrees. Now, if you look at this line again, you would observe that it is the longest line among the three lines. Okay, this is the longest part. So we call B the hypotenuse. Okay, while this C, which is 5 centimeters, is referred to as the adjacent side. So I've just given you the name of the sides of this right angle triangle, and I'm telling you the reason we are giving them that names. We gave this one the hypotenuse because it's the longest side of this right angle triangle. Why this is called the opposite is because it is the side facing this angle 35 degrees. So why this place is called the adjacent, which is the third side. You know, a right angle triangle has 3 sides. So now, according to Pythagoras, which we are going to use to solve this this question, because in this question here, we are required to find side A and side B. Okay, we are required to find side A and side B. So, according to Pythagoras said the square of the hypotenuse, which is the longest part, is equal to the sum of the square of the opposite side and the square of the adjacent side. So, that means if you square this hypotenuse, it is equal to when you add the square of the opposite side and the adjacent side together. So this law helps us to find one of the sides. That means if we are given 2 of the sides and we are asked to find the third one. However, here we are only given just one side, not 2 of the sides. So unfortunately, we won't be able to use this formula, which is called Pythagoras formula. Just like the name of our tutor, Pythagoras. Okay, Pythagoras formula. Okay, which is used to find a missing side when 2 sides are given. Unfortunately, only the side which is the adjacent is given 5 centimeters. So that means we are going to need to use another formula called SOHCAHTOA. So I don't know if you have heard of SOHCAHTOA before. If you have heard about it, you can send your comments in the comment section. So now SOHCAHTOA, I'm going to tell you the meaning of SOHCAHTOA. So SOHCAHTOA simply means I'm going to need to divide this board right now. SOHCAHTOA means sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. hypotenuse. Okay, please make sure you get your biro and your writing material because I'm going to be cleaning that side very soon. So please, in case you've not written it, as much as possible to write it down somewhere. So the word so means the sine theta, which is the angle, equal to opposite and hypotenuse divided by hypotenuse. So car means cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, I hope you know we are making reference to the names of the sides of the right angle triangle now. So why 2r? 2r means tan theta. The t means tan theta. Then opposite is equals to the opposite side of the triangle divided by the adjacent side. So most times when we are given the angle and one of the side, it's best to use SOHCAHTOA. So because we know the angle and we know one of the sides, so we can use any of the SOHCAHTOA that goes in line with the question we are given. So according to this question now, as you can see, we are given only the adjacent. So assuming we want to find A, side A, which is the opposite, that means we have to take the adjacent that we are given and the one we want to look for. So those are the two we can only use. So we are going to come to this SOHCAHTOA and see the one that fits, the one that is usable, that goes with these two sides. And obviously we have opposite and adjacent. So let's come and find out. Opposite hypotenuse, we can't use this. Adjacent hypotenuse, no, we can't use this. Opposite adjacent, wow, this looks like it. So now we are given, we want to find the opposite and we are given the adjacent. So these two sides goes in line with tan theta. So that means we are going for tan. So we are going to change the theta to tan 35 degrees equal to opposite is A, which is what we are looking for, and adjacent is what? Adjacent is 5. Okay, now we'll go and look for tan 35 using our calculator. We're going to look for tan 35, so I'm just going to get my calculator now. Our tan 35 is 0.70002. So that's the value of our tan 35. It's your calculator, you press tan and 35, it will give you this, equal to A over 5. So now the next thing is also cross multiply. So let's assume this over 1. Okay, so we can cross multiply. So this is A times 1 is still the same thing as A, equal to 5 times 0.7002. So our answer, when you multiply 5 times 7002, our answer is 3.5. So 3.5 approximately. So the value of our A is 3.5. So thank you very much. I hope you learned a lot now on how to calculate the opposite sides using tan. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate the B, now that we already know the value of A. You understand? All right.